Are you very cute?
Yes. No.
You are so beautiful.
No.
You are a good girl.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
You are a talented guy.
Not guy.
And do you think you are over smart
No.
or you are smart?
Yes, I'm smart.
You are intelligent.
Yes.
You are beautiful.
Yes.
Can you spell beautiful?
Yes, I can.
Sure.
Yes, of course.
If you can spell beautiful, I will give you 10 taka. 10 taka, 10 taka.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Beautiful. Try.
B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L.
Again.
B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L.
Beautiful. Confident?
Yes.
Another word. Bangladesh. Okay. You can.
Yes.
You want to try?
Yes, of course.
For every single word, for every correct spelling, you will get 10 taka.
Okay.
So you have got already 10 taka. Happy or unhappy?
I'm happy.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Now the second word is Bangladesh. Okay. Bangladesh. Okay. Try Bangladesh.
B-A-N.
Bang. B-A-N-G.
Bang.
B-A-N-G. Bang.
Bang.
La.
L-A.
Bangla.
Bangla.
Desh.
D-E-S-H.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can try at a time. Bangladesh.
B-A-N-G-L-A-D-E-S-H.
Are you confident?
Yes.
I can lock.
Okay.
Congratulations. You have got more 10 taka. So 10 plus 10. How much?
20.